2025 Chevrolet Silverado 3500HD. This truck offers a full-size interior while delivering on versatility. It checks off in-demand features which offer more convenience, such as Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, four-wheel drive, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, power outlet, keyless entry, auxiliary input, dual rear wheels, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, limited slip differential, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights. This is a top-rated dealer. The open road is calling. Drive it home today.